XFi pods enhance your home Wi-Fi coverage by eliminating dead zones and improving signal strength throughout your home. First, ensure you have a compatible Xfinity gateway and download the Xfinity app from your device's app store. Open the app, sign in with your Xfinity credentials, and go to the More tab, then select XFi Pods and Add Pods. Plug in your first pod near the gateway and follow the on-screen prompts to connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The app will verify the pairing with a speed test, and the pod will light up solid white when active. Repeat this process for any additional pods, placing them strategically throughout your home up to the limit of pods for your account. For optimal coverage, place pods within 30 to 50 feet of your gateway, avoiding obstructions like walls or metal objects that can block signals. Use the app's heat map feature to visualize signal strength and identify dead zones in your home. The Optimize tool in the app can suggest better placements and run diagnostics to improve performance. If you experience issues, try restarting the pods through the app. Ensure your pod firmware is up to date for the best performance, with updates typically being automatic. For persistent problems, a factory reset might be necessary. Proper optimization ensures seamless data flow between your gateway and pods for reliable coverage throughout your home.